Hey everybody, this is Ron Baker with yet another motor. This particular motor is a 1955 Evinrude 7.5 horse Aquasonic. It's pretty faded from the sun, but cosmetically not too cool, but it runs pretty good. I love the graphics on this thing. This motor was picked up in Tomahawk, Wisconsin 3 weeks ago at the AOMCI outboard motor meet. It was in pretty rough shape. The shock absorber was broken in it, had to replace that. Went through the gear case, resealed everything, new oil, new impeller, new everything down below. It had a bad coil, replaced it. It had a bad set of points and condenser, so I've replaced it. Completely went through the carburetor, cleaned it, overhauled it. Actually, I think this is going to be a pretty decent motor, so we'll start this thing up and show you what it's all about. Turn the throttle up high enough. Alright, here we go. Down here a little bit. Neutral. Reverse. It all works pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching.